Think about it. It's been 2 weeks. More than that, India has not been able to lead a ground offensive, though that has been the sentiment of their own people. War is not a solution, but if war is brought upon a country like Pakistan, I am sure a war-hardened country who loves and lives for action would be able to reply and equal or maybe more, and they will enjoy whilst fighting this battle. But would that be the solution? No, I don't think so. One more question which people are asking me: would this war ever go nuclear? I don't hope. I frankly hope it doesn't go nuclear, because if it goes nuclear and India persists in stopping water supply to Pakistan, then what stops Pakistan in firing those nuclear missiles on the water sources going and supplying water in the whole of the subcontinent? So that's the whole thing. The media, international media, has to start asking questions of the Indian government.